All right, so Mr. Otto drove 740 miles in 10 hours. Mrs. Skadberg drove 375 miles in 5 hours. Do you guys recognize the ratios?
Yes.
Okay, what is the first ratio?
740 to 10.
All right, so we have 740, we'll write MI for miles, in 10 hours. This is a rate because it has two different units. We have miles, and we have hours. So it has a distance and it has a time. All right, remember it has how many quantities?
2.
2. It has to have 2 quantities. Okay, the second rate is how far? 75 miles in
5 hours.
hours. Now, right now, can we compare these 2 rates?
No.
No. So we need to find a strategy. There's 3 of them we talked about. What's a strategy we could use, Justin?
The double division thing.
The double division Logan reduction so you can compare strategy?
Yes.
All right, we could use that. Okay, but we need common denominators in order to solve it. So one of the strategies was to multiply or divide to find an equal rate, or they're very much like fractions, aren't they? What can I do to 5 to make it an equal 10 hours?
Double it.
Double it. So if I'm going to change color. Can I? Yes. Okay, I'm going to change color and I'm going to multiply this times 2. And equivalent rates, just like equivalent fractions, what you do to the bottom, you must
To
do to the top. So if we rewrite this, 5 times 2 is 10. So in 10 hours, how far does he go?
750.
750. I said he, it's she. So now, can we compare these 2 rates?
Yes.
Yes. What do they have in common?
The denominator.
The denominator, which is 10 hours. Now, in 10 hours, how far did Mr. Otto go? 740. In 10 hours, how far did Mrs. Skadberg go?
750 miles.
Good. So another way that we can do this is to write a comparison. Don't forget your labels. And there's a big circle in the middle. 750 over 10 hours. And this is miles. And remember, the alligator eats the larger number.
Why does it